This class is cloud computing, and it's all about working in Unity. Our professor, Robin Mitchell, he threw us together. Like in November, he gathered a lot of people like, hey, we're gonna make a game.
We were never intended to come out with a finished product, but the whole point was for us to learn like how to be self-taught. On that front, I feel like we've accomplished pretty well. We've pretty much learned the basics of an entire game engine with no outside help.
You have a lot of experience now in Unity, which Robin said that's really what matters. He just wanted us to like really work hard, work together, and learn how to communicate on the steps on how to make a Unity video game, how to progress through different areas, how to teach ourselves as well as teach others and work with them.
He divided us into 3 teams. There was a creative team, a development team, and a quality team. And I'm on the development team. Our whole job was just to write the code for the game. Face value, it was, make a game. But like I said, it was about more than that.
We tried our best, and we do have a finished setup for a video game. One part of self-learning is when to ask for help, and so we had to go to Robin sometimes. We had to go to other people for help, and I think that was another really big aspect of the class, was just to help us learn and help us know how to self-manage ourselves and what we need to succeed in order to do other aspects of software engineering. I think the most valuable thing for me that I learned during this course is to really trust in your other classmates. I was kind of the team coordinator. I was the one that was compiling everything. And so I really had to trust in my other classmates to come through and do their work. It was a lot of fun, and I think that was something I really want to carry forward into other classes.
I don't think you're going to find a support system much like you would at Manchester.
I think that's one thing that Manchester really has that's special, is the professors in general, not even just in coding, but in general in every major. The professors really care about who you are and where you're going to go for the future and how you can change the future of your environments.